I'm currently on deck 7. I will give you a tour of the... And here, this is the arcade. And you can buy a fun pass. You have bowling. Oh, it says 11.
4.
So they're not open right now. Here are the times if you want to do the Formula F-150. There's video games that you can play. This one's like a motorcycle one. I don't know what this one is. I think it's a car. Kind of looks like a car, but kind of looks like a boondock.
The garage.
Where are we now? Entering the garage club.
They actually have a DJ in there because we have never seen a DJ in the car. This right here.
So they actually have a DJ. This is the DJ booth over here, apparently.
And to check the car underneath.
But this club supposedly is open at nighttime. I've never been in this.